All right, I have a 2023 F250 with the 7.3 liter Godzilla motor, and I have the 373 gears. And this is just the gas mileage on my drive to work. It was at 17 miles per gallon when I did on ramp to off ramp, but I didn't want to sit there and record. So this is actually the on ramp to the parking lot of my place of work. So just to show you what's possible in the 7.3, I didn't buy this vehicle for gas mileage, but that's just specific highway miles. And as I sit here, it's going to continue to go down because the vehicle's not moving. My normal drive to work is about 45 minutes, so this was a little bit longer, about 5 more minutes than normal. I'd say I had about moderate traffic. So if you're curious, you know, what kind of traffic I had and did that affect the gas mileage any? Maybe a little bit. And I know some people say, well, let's hand calculate that. And I'm going by the factory computer because they've got to meet regulations and standards, and their calibrations are audited. So to me, I'm not going to sit here and hand do any of this calculations. And like I said, I didn't buy the vehicle for gas mileage. But just to show you what I did achieve, it was about a 35-mile drive. Normally, like I said, it takes about 45 minutes. A few details about the vehicle, too, things that could affect the gas mileage. For those that are wondering, to kind of label a little bit on the outside, I do have the two-wheel drive valance on this vehicle. So I have seen negligible impact changing from that big, long front valance to the two-wheel drive valance. So if you're worried about changing that, is that going to affect my gas mileage? I haven't seen a difference or any significant difference. I do have a light bar on the front of this truck too. It's in that center vent that's underneath the front grille. I haven't noticed anything there. It's an 18-inch bar by Diode Dynamics. Nothing really changes there. The vehicle is stock height, and I'm running stock tire size, so no changes there. I do have a back X4S bed cover that could possibly affect gas mileage, maybe an improvement, not sure. There's a Ford performance exhaust on the truck as well. And again, I haven't seen really any difference with that on there. Not really an improvement or a loss in miles per gallon. The only other things I think that I have that could affect the gas mileage would be, I do have a Banks pedal monster, and it's set on city level 5. And then I have the iDash Data Monster by Banks. That also was reading about 1,700 RPMs, between 1,600 to 1,700 RPMs during the drive. So to give you an idea of how hard the motor was working, that's kind of the readings I kept looking down to check. I wouldn't say I drove aggressively by any means. So I was, not necessarily feathering the gas. There's a few little uphill drives, roads that I go on. And to keep you familiar with the drive itself, I'm in the Birmingham, Alabama area. So if you've driven any of those roads like Highway 65 or 59, that's kind of the drive area where I normally am. So, but yeah, I'm really impressed with this miles per gallon. I didn't purchase this vehicle for miles per gallon, but just so you understand what is capable on the 7.3 with the 373 gears with a few modifications, stock height, stock tires, it is achievable highway miles only around that 17 miles per gallon. Of course, like I said when I started the video, that was on ramp from my home to parking lot to where I work. So it dropped down maybe to about, 16.6, 16.7 or 8 or something like that. So even if you calculate that the factory is off by 1 mile per gallon, still not bad for this size engine and what it's capable of. And again, the other thing I'll show you there is that is my average miles per gallon, including city driving. So that one is at 15 miles per gallon. I did reset that about a day or so ago, so it's not indicative of the entire ownership of the vehicle, But I've been seeing anywhere from 14 to 14 and a half on the regular for all combined driving on this vehicle. So, and right now my vehicle's at 16,000 miles. So to give you an idea, does it get better as you drive the vehicle, as it ages or anything? I've seen around the same miles per gallon on this truck. So that's a quick detail of what I've seen miles per gallon on this truck. So if you're interested in that, if you're looking at the 7.3, you're not real sure, you know, really most people purchasing these trucks, the miles per gallon is not really going to be your deciding factor, but a lot of people always ask about it. So I figured I'd report on mine after about a year of ownership, where I'm at, what my highway miles, no real scientific testing has proven. So, but yeah, I appreciate you watching. If this information was useful or helpful, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.